everyone, start off by taking a multiple prong decorative pin, tie a ponytail out of the hair, twist this ponytail, and then use your decorative pin through the side of it as such. Loosen the base of it ever so slightly, then at the end of it, tie a rubber band to it, fold it over, and pin it up downwards. After this, we will start off by gathering the hair together, gather the top section of the hair, and then make a braid out of it. Now, after you made a braid out of your hair, at the bottom, divide the hair two parts, wrap this around your braid, tie a ponytail to it, and roll the hair in on itself as such. At the bottom, gather all of the hair together, make a braid out of it, roll this braid upwards, make it into a bun, and then add a decorative rubber band around it once you are done. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, lift up this ponytail, use a multiple prong decorative pin to it as such. Afterwards, comb the rest of the hair, add a rubber band to the end of it as such, and then pin it up downwards using a bobby pin. You may use either a bobby pin or any other pin in place so that it stays. Adjust the hair around it accordingly. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. At the bottom, tie a ponytail. Divide this ponytail into two parts, taking one section of it, add a rubber band in the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself through the section. At the base, add a braid to it. Now gather both of them together and then tie it up together, roll this upwards, and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin. Use a decorative pin on top of this. Next, take the middle section of the hair and then tie it up at the back. Now, use this device and then take sections of the hair and insert it into each of the indents and crevices that are present. Once you are done with it, it should look like a French braid as such. Add a decorative rubber band at the base of it and adjust it as need be. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and then roll the hair in on itself as such. Now gather all of the hair together into a ponytail. At the base, add a rubber band to it, and then make a small indent in the middle of it. Roll this upwards, and then pin it up in place. Make a bun out of it. Use a multiple prong pin that is decorative in nature in order to fasten it in its place. Tie a ponytail out of the hair and then use a decorative pin to it. Put it from the top to the bottom and then back up as such. Now, make a braid out of the rest of the hair. After this, add a rubber band to the bottom of it. Loosen the sides using your fingers and then roll this up into a bun. Fasten it in place using a multiple prong pin underneath. Next, take a multi-level clip, take a section from the right side, twist it and then insert it into the middle level of the clip. Take a section from the left side, twist it, insert it into the middle level of the clip as such. Take a section of the hair from the right side, twist it and insert it into the right side. Take a section of the hair from the left side, twist it, insert it into the left side. Comb the rest of the hair into place. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, then use this bun stick, twist it around it, and then afterwards adjust it into a bun. Adjust the hair around it as such. Next, we will start off by taking a section of the hair from the right side and then attach a multi-level clip on top of this. Next, take three sections of the hair from the left side, twist each of these sections and then insert it into each of the levels of the clip as such. Now, comb the rest of the hair into place. Tie a ponytail out of the hair. After this, take a bun stick and then going from the bottom to the top, adjust it around it as such. Now, gather all of the hair around it together. Use a decorative multiple prong pin around it. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair and then using this kind of clip, twist the hair around it as such. After this, make a bun out of it and then adjust the hair as need be. Next, gather all of the hair together, twist it around one of the fingers, make a bun out of it and then insert it in place, adjust the hair around it, then use a decorative clip on top of it to make it look aesthetically pleasing. Thank you for watching.